a bright idea harnessing the sun's energy. Solar power is one of the most promising renewable energy sources available today. Solar panels are transforming how we power our world. They are becoming a cornerstone of modern energy solutions. These sleek rectangular panels capture sunlight and convert it into usable electricity. This process is both efficient and environmentally friendly. It's a clean and sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. By using solar energy, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Solar panels are becoming increasingly common, appearing on rooftops, in fields, and even integrated into building designs. This widespread adoption is a testament to their versatility and effectiveness. Solar panels represent a significant step towards a greener future. They are a key component in the fight against climate change. They provide a renewable source of energy, reducing our reliance on polluting fossil fuels. This shift is crucial for the health of our planet. As the technology advances and becomes more affordable, solar power is poised to play a pivotal role in the global transition to a more sustainable energy system. The future of energy is bright, thanks to the power of the sun. The science of sunshine, from photons to power. It's a fascinating journey that begins with the simplest element of light. Solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells, typically composed of silicon. These cells are the heart of the solar panel. These cells act like tiny energy converters, transforming sunlight into electrical energy. When sunlight hits the solar panel, the photovoltaic cells absorb photons from the light. This absorption is the first step in the energy conversion process. The absorbed photons knock electrons loose within the silicon atoms. This movement of electrons is crucial for generating electricity. These freed electrons then flow through an electrical circuit, generating direct current electricity. This direct current, or DC, is the raw form of electrical power. An inverter then converts the direct current electricity into alternating current electricity, which is the standard used in homes and businesses. This conversion is essential for practical use. This process from sunlight to usable electricity happens silently and efficiently, with no moving parts or emissions. It's a clean, renewable way to power our world. A global success story, solar around the world. Solar energy is no longer a niche technology, it's a global phenomenon. Countries worldwide are embracing solar power to meet their energy needs and combat climate change. China leads the way, with massive solar farms powering millions of homes and businesses. Germany, known for its commitment to renewable energy, also boasts significant solar capacity. In the United States, California is a solar pioneer, with solar installations on homes, businesses, and vast solar farms in the Mojave Desert. These are just a few examples of how solar is transforming energy landscapes across the globe. Section 4. The price of progress, challenges and drawbacks. Despite its many advantages, solar energy is not without its drawbacks. While it offers a clean and renewable source of power, there are several challenges that need to be addressed. The initial cost of installing solar panels can be a significant barrier for some homeowners and businesses. This upfront investment can be daunting, even though the long-term savings are substantial. Solar panels are also dependent on weather conditions, meaning their efficiency can fluctuate depending on the amount of sunlight available. In regions with less consistent sunlight, this can be a major drawback. Disposal of solar panels at the end of their lifespan is another concern, as improper disposal can lead to environmental problems. The materials used in panels can be hazardous if not handled correctly. However, advancements in solar technology are addressing these challenges. Researchers are continuously working on improving the efficiency and sustainability of solar panels. Panel efficiency is increasing, costs are decreasing, and recycling programs are being developed to ensure responsible disposal. These innovations are paving the way for a more sustainable and accessible solar energy future. Section 5. A solar-powered future. Possibilities and potential. The future of solar energy is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more efficient and affordable solar panels. Solar energy storage solutions like advanced batteries are also rapidly improving, addressing the intermittency issue. Solar's potential extends beyond just electricity generation. Solar-powered water heaters, desalination plants, and even transportation systems are emerging as viable solutions. As we move towards a more sustainable future, solar energy will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in powering our homes, businesses, and lives.